So this right here is a Canon EOS Rebel G. It's a 35mm SLR film camera from 1996. Now this specific camera that I'm holding in my hands right now, this exact one, this used to belong to my Tide, and Tide is Welsh for Grandad. Now sadly, my Tide has crossed the Rainbow Bridge. Is that something you could say about people? I feel like I've only ever heard that in the concept of dogs, actually. No, but you get the gist. But he and I were very alike. We were super close. And after all that miserable dying lark, me being the perpetual hipster that I am, this was one of the things that was put to one side for me to have, which is super cool. And so, coincidentally, I have travelled up to North Yorkshire this weekend because I was shooting a wedding. It put me about an hour away from Scarborough. My Nine and Tide both used to come up here on holiday loads. I'd been up here a bunch with them. It seemed only right that I throw a roll of film through this and take it for its first test run in Scarborough. Would it be morbid to call this video something like film photography from beyond the grave? I feel like that'd be in poor taste. Although, I do think my Tide would laugh at that. So, anyway, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna slap some film in this camera. Don't actually know if it works yet, so this could be the shortest video that I've ever made. Okay, moment of truth. Let's get some batteries in. Oh, hey! Okay, we're in business. Seems to be pulling focus, centimeter in. So I'm gonna quickly Google the manual and give myself a quick crash course in how to use this camera. I reckon I've pretty much got it down, but you know, there might be something cool in here that I don't know about. Always read your camera manuals, kids. Oh, is that a rainbow? Oh, have that, thank you. Now, mate, so many steps. Quite a lot of bird shit, actually. Probably had a count of all the birds. I was getting a bit trigger happy shooting that rainbow over there, and I remembered that I'm on Cine Still 800, which is about £24 a roll. So yeah, f that. I don't need any more photos of it. One is enough. Would I trade my kidney for this photo is the question I have to ask myself before I press the shutter nowadays as a film photographer. That's where we're at with prices. There's definitely two rainbows, either that or I'm having a stroke, one of the two. Mate, my name's Rob, by the way. Dom. Good to meet you, man. Good to meet you. Yeah, I'll probably see you down there, mate. Take it easy, dude. I love photography, man. I love photographers. Such wonderful people. Oh, hello there, Future Rob here. So that was my first trippy out with the Canon EOS Rebel G. Now, if you're looking at picking up this camera as like your first camera, this is a great shout because it's such a good camera system to buy into, because you've got all the EF mount lenses. Like, there are professionals I know right now that still use EF mount lenses on their digital camera bodies and stuff because the lenses are that good. So if you are looking at buying your first sort of big lad film camera and this is one that you're looking at, it's a pretty good shout. It's a pretty good shout. It's a good system to buy into, lots of camera bodies to upgrade to as you go along, an obscene amount of sick lenses, and the price on this, throw it into eBay, I've seen them for like £12. It's a good price. It's a good price. Me personally, I'm not going to go super hard into this system because I'm already in way too deep with the Minolta AF mount. If you know me or my work at all, then you will know that I shoot like the Minolta Dynax 7 as my like workhorse camera. I've got every lens I could possibly need for that system. I don't want to like drop all the cash on buying all the lenses for the same thing again, essentially. But I will be using this camera more. I've got a few ideas of stuff I want to make with it. I'll make some more YouTube videos and stuff like that as well. So yeah, stick around if any of that sounds remotely interesting to you. But thank you for checking out the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like it, consider subscribing to the channel, all that good stuff. If you're wondering why I'm in such a rush, I need to pack because I leave for London in the morning and I've not packed anything as usual. I will be taking this. So I will be taking this with me to London. This is a Canon SureShot A1, basically my favourite daily carry film camera of all time. So I'm gonna make a video about this. Really sick. It looks dope, doesn't it? Look at it. But yeah, awesome little point and shoot. So I'm gonna be shooting with this in London. Very excited. Thank you for checking out the video. I hope you're good. I hope the family's good. Most importantly, I hope your dog is good. Please, a scratch behind the ears from me, and hopefully I will catch you in the next one. Peace.